EA's 4G car DVR, 10-inch mirror dashcam, Android 8.1 GPS navigation, car camera auto recorder, ADAS support 1080p rear camera with high-sensitivity GPS module. Offer more accurate location when use offline GPS navigation. Thanks to 4G SIM card and built-in Wi-Fi, no matter where you are driving, you will enjoy the fun from internet surfing. Make it possible for online navigation, music, movie use online map to make intelligent navigation, avoid busy traffic, enjoy movie and music for driving, have more fun. The quad-core 1.5 GHz high-performance processor incorporates Android 8.1 smart systems, plus it built-in RAM 2GB ROM 32GB. It makes D13 operating more smoothly and achieve multiple functions. It makes the car DVR runs more quickly. You can download any app from Google Play Store. Unique remote monitor mobile app, car assist and internet connection. It allows you to remote monitor your car driving path and what happened around your car. No matter where you are, remote capture what happened to your car. Monitor and alarm. 720p photo and 10s video alarm will be shortly, 1 to 5's time, sent to your mobile if a car collision occurs. GPS track history, your car driving path will be recorded, and real-time playback on car assist app. 1 key capture video, 1 key to capture 10s video on car assist app via Wi-Fi connection. Super screen displays ideal for watching HD movies, playing games, browsing the web, or reading the graphics with bright colors, and provides detailed maps views. All in this 10.0-inch. It support 2-camera lens. Front camera lens is about 170-degree wide angle and back camera lens is about 150-degree angle. Support picture-in-picture display 2-camera lens. A record simultaneously of all video save in TF card. Smart rear view angle switch between driving and parking. You could see all further vehicles and objects clearly behind you while real-time driving. And it will switch the rear view camera automatically to give a closer backup image when parking. This is all new technology for Rearview mirror DVR. D13 is equipped with this advanced streaming media technology, makes the driving rear view angle more widely. It is triple wide view angle than the traditional mirror. It is not affected by obstacles or natural weather. DVR use HD to provide you with flawless images in rain, fog, snow, or even at low light level. You will be able to observe all the details with ease for outside or inside. Thanks to Bluetooth hands-free. After pairing the Bluetooth between DVR and smartphone, you could make and receive calls directly from the mirror DVR itself with the built-in mic and speaker. If you are worried about your car being damaged by someone else after parking, you can use our buck line to connect the DVR to ensure that the recorder works 24 hours. If someone else hurts your car and the shock triggers the G sensor, the DVR will immediately turn on and record the situation.